Hello friends, and welcome back to an exciting video here where we'll be taking a look at FTM coins, which was recommended by one of my subscribers here, Abraham. Thank you for letting me know about FTM. We'll take a look at the prediction and everything that I see with the project because it looks like it has a lot of potential. Again, guys, so if you have any recommendation and projects that you would love for me to take a look at, I do read every comment, but please know that if I didn't respond to a comment, just know I still read it and I'm doing my best to keep up with everything. So I hope you guys, if you have a recommendation, just let me know, and I will take a look at it and review it with you guys. So let's take a look here. Now, this is why I'm saying I'm very excited to do this analysis because we can see right now for FTM we are currently down 6%. But take a look, guys. We have here a level that we have here of support. We are currently respecting that level, so this is nice. I'm taking a look here, and I'm seeing there's a lot of potential now since we had wicks at these levels. That we have here the bullish momentum wicking down there, and we can see here the we were going to the downside, but we can see that volume is increasing now. We are also oversold in the level of RSI, but keep in mind, guys, take a look here. We have a level of support, protected support here, and we are reacting off of this level. So this is a good sign. But again, now this is something that I want to take a look at. We are under the 50 MA. So please be cautious if you're taking a look at this. You're just taking a look at FTM today and you wanted to get into the project. Just be cautious of that, okay? We are under 50 MA, so anything can happen. We know that there is here a level of BOS. So if we can break this level, we could potentially come back, test back the levels of 1.077. But we first have to touch on these levels here at about 1.04 and see the reaction that we'll create from there. This level will be very important because as you can see right now, we are still consolidating. So I want to see some reaction first before I would recommend to get into the project. We can see here this level, like I stated. So I want to see price hopefully break out of this level and then maybe test back again, creating a triple bottom for us, an indication to say that, hey, this is a great entry now. This price came back down here 3 times, which indicated that this low has been protected. And if that's the case, hopefully we could see a retracement back to the recent resistance that we had on April 25th. This level will be very important because we saw a sell-off happen at these levels. You can see the sell-off happening here. And once we did create a level of support here, we saw some consolidation, and this level here again tested the resistance before we saw some structure almost being broken to the bearish side. You can see here the candles. So this indicated to us this is another level of resistance that we have here. So depending on how we react from there, if we're able to touch back on these levels, hopefully break out of these levels, retest back at 1.04, see some reaction happening here for quite some time, then hopefully touch back on the resistance that we have here at about 1.07, where the structure was broken before, as you can see here, to the downtrend, but also we were under 50 MA. So it will be nice to see how price reacts from there, and if we could break that level, then we have a structure here, recent structures of resistance that we had at about 1.2, and depending on how we react from there will be very crucial to us because as you can see, this was where price started the first bearish side here, and you can see that price broke out of that 50 MA recently. So this was the structure where price started at, okay? So it's important to see how price will react from there depending on how we first break out of these levels here and see how we react from this support level. So this will be a great indication to see that FTM is changing its momentum depending on how we react from this level. As of now, you can see price is waking up now, and we can see hopefully FTM in the next coming hours, we can see some RSI levels going to the upside a little bit, testing the 1.105 and seeing how we react from there. Hopefully in the next coming hours, since Bitcoin is down right now, and price tends to follow these directions of the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the bigger coins. So please be cautious of that as well. I need to make that clear because since we are creating a level of support, it could still be a great thing, okay? And we could see momentum happening, but it will be difficult to break the 50 MA at these levels of 1.07 since Bitcoin is down right now, and also since the momentum of the altcoins and project will follow it. So please be cautious of that. If we do break at this level here, test back at 0.98, since we do have a heavy support at 1. If that happens and we zoom out here, we can see that this level right now has been at one of its lowest. But you can see, you guys, this is something nice actually, because when we take a look here, we have another level of support where price reacted up to these levels, as you can see here. When we take a look, I just want to focus on today. The levels that I see a lot of potential at. We will take a look in the next update on some of the resistance and price where price can react to off of. As of now, I'm seeing a lot of momentum happening for the support levels for FTM, because we could see previously on March 15th, this same thing happened here. We saw some indication here, a lot of momentum happening from the one, okay, from one. We saw a lot of momentum happening. We saw price rally up, break out of the 50 MA, and now touch back here at the same levels of 0.98. So we will see how price reacts. Hopefully, it's reacting the same as it did on March 15th. We saw this big gap up, and then now it's coming back to the same levels. Non-coincidence or anything, but we are seeing here a double bottom. Could this happen again? Hopefully it does, but it will be difficult, like I stated, since Bitcoin is down right now. If we could see Bitcoin rallying up in the next coming hours, then this could be an great indication for FTM for price to continue to the upside. Hopefully, touch back on the recent resistance we had, and then touching back up at the levels where we saw the structure being breaking at the 50 MA at about 1.095. So just a quick update on FTM and taking a look at some of the things that I see with the chart. Again, thank you, Abraham, for the recommendation. And if you guys have any a recommendation for projects that you want me to take a look at, it would be really appreciated. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.